Hello and welcome to the Inverter Cool channel. Today we're exploring the question, what is a ductless system or a mini-split system? We'll also consider the pros and cons of this type of system. A ductless or mini-split system is an indoor climate control system that doesn't require ducts. Typically, a wall-mounted unit is installed indoors, connected by pipes and wires to an outdoor unit. These systems are often recommended when there are no existing duct systems, as they eliminate heat loss or heat gain from ducts in unconditioned areas, and don't require expensive ductwork to be installed. This makes them a suitable option for many homes. However, there are drawbacks to consider. Some find the appearance of a wall-mounted unit unappealing. Additionally, ductless units require more frequent cleaning, leading to higher maintenance costs. Another potential downside is that ductless systems have more components, which may affect their overall reliability. It's important to weigh these factors when considering a home comfort system. If a ductless system seems suitable, it's a good idea to speak with your contractor. They can provide detailed information tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for watching this overview of ductless systems. While we don't currently sell them, we hope this information helps you make an informed decision about your indoor climate control options.